How to remove suggested on Messenger. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to remove suggested on Messenger. After you open up your phone now, before you open up your Facebook Messenger, make sure you go to your Play Store, App Store. After you come to your Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger and tap on the icon and tap on this section to update your Facebook Messenger. As you can see now, here is it now. Go and update your Facebook Messenger. After you update your Facebook Messenger now, close the Play Store. Now go and open your Facebook Messenger app like this. After you open your Facebook Messenger app like this, as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now tap on this settings gear icon. Go to this settings gear icon. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this, as you can see now, see more in account center. See more in account center. After you come to this section, all you have to do now, tap on this section, scroll to down and tap on this your information and permission. After you come to this section, now tap on this contacts, upload contacts. So in this section now, go and select your Facebook Messenger. Here is my Facebook Messenger. So in this section now, tap on this contact, upload contacts, tap on it. Now turn it off. Turn it off. So now I turn off the upload my contacts. So tap on this manage contacts, this one. So in this section now, it will give you list of the people that Facebook Messenger used to give you a suggestion. As you can see now, you see the list of the people that Facebook Messenger used to give you in this section. For now, I don't have any contacts. You can tap on this delete all, so it will delete all your suggested people on your Facebook Messenger for you. That's it guys on how to remove suggested on Messenger. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.